Hello, welcome to Even Beyond. I am Varun. In this HTML tutorial video, we will talk about empty elements. I will be using the previous video, block versus inline elements example code to explain empty elements. If you have not watched the previous video, do watch that first. Video link is given in the description below, or you can get the code from the link given in the description as well. Here is the code from the previous lesson. Let me just open this in the browser. Here you see the output. In this output you see this paragraph has wrapped automatically, and suppose that when we have this window full width, this will appear in a single line. There might be cases when we might want a line break at a specific point. So suppose in this paragraph we need a line break after as. For this we have a tag br. Save this and see the output. Now even when we have the full width window, you see the paragraph has appeared on 2 lines. This is because of this br tag. This is for the purpose of line break, and this is what is called empty elements. You see, so far we have learnt about elements with a start tag and end tag, a start tag and end tag. But br is different. It gets closed in itself. It doesn't require separate tag to close, and that is the reason this is called empty element. Similar to this, we have HR tag. When you save this and see its output, there's a line here. This comes from HR element. So these HR and BR elements are called empty elements. This forward slash at the end is optional. You can leave it, but it's better to use it. Similar to HR and BR, there are many other empty elements in HTML, like IMG element. We'll talk about this in another video. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.